Hey guys, Kevin Blind Luck Mechanic. If you watched the last video, you watched me bathe Hand Puppet in a drain pan of burnt motor oil. I did not enjoy it. 10 out of 10, do not recommend. Alright, thank you, Hand Puppet. Go away now. Alright, so get y'all back in the chest rig. So, I'm moving stuff in my shop so I can get the engine stand up to the front. Hopefully I don't have to move everything and its brother to get it this way, but I probably will. I am having to move all of my carts. Cart 1 moved. Let's go for cart 2. Is it locked so that it won't slide open? No, it is not. Made that mistake before. I made that mistake before. Did not have it dummy locked. Oh my gosh. Everything's in my way. Everything's gonna fight me. I'm about to hem myself in a corner. No, I'm not. Made a little bit of room. Got that cart out of the way, which means I can move this cart and maybe, oh yeah, I can bring semi through there. Okay, now to move the off-road welding cartus, and we are on the home stretch. I'm just going to simply drag it over this way, swivel it around. If you didn't watch the last video, I came to my shop, located this engine stand, and then drug it from its depth back there. So now I can continue the mission to get it to where I need it. It's like 9 o'clock at night. I'm fighting sunlight, daylight. Nah, just kidding. No required daylight to operate. We have hung. Please don't have hit my very nice wheels. Okay, here we go again. Nope, we are hung. Probably hanging on Ranger wheel and Mustang wheel. Did I just quit videoing?